As Mpumalanga Substance Abuse Forum, we want to appreciate this campaign that has been spearheaded by the DM from Social Development around the awareness of fetal alcohol syndrome, especially in the pregnant women. What we've observed is that indeed we have a serious problem and a challenge in our society of alcohol abuse. One of the main reasons of alcohol abuse is because of alcohol is being regarded as acceptable to drink it. But now, yes, we've got limitations, but people don't have those limitations. Of course, women are abusing alcohol nowadays, it's true, and while they are pregnant, which is not correct, which is affecting their kids. Now, what we're saying is in Mpumalanga, we are saying that we've got our draft Mpumalanga Master Plan, that our vision is we want Mpumalanga free from substance abuse. And we understand that our women has frustrations. You know, they will make some joke to say, hey, they've got serious mental problems in dealing with relationship issues. So we still have a lot to do in making sure that we empower them mentally so that they can be able to make good decisions, so that they can lessen their participation in drinking alcohol abuse. So even programs like social behavioral change, your love life need to be revived, as well as families within the Department of Social Development, so that even families can be talked to say that the environment must be conducive to bring up a child, because of automatically when the woman drinks alcohol, she affects the baby while she's still pregnant, and the baby when she's born or he's born, then he has some defects around the brain and around the face, so which also affects the child when the child is growing up. Indeed, we need more programs of this, and we appreciate the support that we have from the DM, and I thank you so much.